Really? Imagine I really had that shit open, bro. Nah, I don't even know what's up with that camera shit, bro. Oh, I think I unplugged it. Damn, yo. Alright, YouTube. Back live with this shit. Um, yeah, so pretty much just watching at the moment. Um, Still got this SMT at these highs. So, I'm kind of just patient at the moment. I want to see if we want to take these highs right here before the open, continue on with this SMT that's gonna hold possibly, and sell us back off and put another one in here because we have 15 minutes right there, 30-minute wide 30-minute right there. So just kind of gonna be patient because look, if you notice how close we are to this daily low, we're very, very close to these daily lows right there. So for us to just put an SMT right there, it's not that it's not significant. It's very significant to send price higher. And if I see that, we'll react to that. But we have this resting sell side all the way down there. So for me, it's important to see what we do at this 30-minute because all right, look, if price wants to go lower, we'll come higher and then we'll go back lower. But if we want to come higher, we'll come lower. Boom. Vice versa. So it's not really much to overthink. It's just simple as watching. You see what the market's giving you and react to it. So just going through shuffling through the different time frames because we got some generated here, sell side, back into the range. And yeah, we have a bullish SMT, but this bullish SMT could get put in for us to come take out this high. So, and after that, it's not valid no more. It'll be this one that's holding because this is the one that sold us off. So we took out sell side right there. We put in a first low, took out the internal low, put in a bullish SMT. So if we change, you know, for it to be a valid change, we got to get this 30-minute change is the first one that's valid. They get it validated. We change up here. Boom. That's the only way I'll go long up into this range up here, or at least this buy side. So this buy side up here. So just watching it, just seeing what we're given at the moment. But the widescreen this shit real quick. I've no interest on the lower time frame right now. That's what it's been looking like. So we came back up and sold right back off. But let's say we do want to go lower. Hold up. So let's say we do want to get lower. We'll come lower first. Manipulation move down here somewhere. Boom. Then market will start attacking higher. So we're inside of a 1 hour. We got a 4 hour up here. We got a 30-minute that we're inside of. Sure, we're inside of a 15-minute. And overall, just bullish, from putting in this SMT. So already tapped inside the 4 hour fair value gap. And if you just look on ES, we'll see what we're doing here. We're inside of a 1 hour that we held. Inside of a 30-minute. So price is not really forming any bullish imbalances to the upside. That's one thing recognizing. So let's say we get a sell-off. Will it be easier for us to sell back off? Yes. So I really was looking for this to get put in, but we took this high. Let's jump to the 1 hour. We took this high right there. So bearish SMT gets put in right there. It's a good thing to recognize. Bam, right there. So, you know, now we look on this. Jump to like more lower time frame. We get a better read on, okay, will market sell off now? Because now we got another SMT put in, changing the state right here, pulled back up, get no really reaction off of it. So changed right there. See what the lower time frame is looking like. So at the moment, I'm not even interested. I can't really see this selling back off too crazy. So I really want to see the Nas come sweep this SMT. I want us to get back up in here. Either or pair, take out the high right there. Then we're talking. So if the model's present off of that, then be sure to be in there. All this generated sell side looks clean. Easily could get wiped. It's definitely something that I'm looking at. Then we have wide open 30-minute right there. Wide open 15. 1 hour, there's nothing. So if the higher time frame's telling me bearish, then I would expect this 15 to get ran, and then for us to head down to this 4 hour low, tap inside of this daily. So everything got its reasoning. Confident in that shit. If it were to pan out to what I'm thinking, holding this 5 minute, see if we change here. Get that tiny change right there inside of this 1 minute. Let's see if we change down here. I like that right here. Already changed off of the 5 minute right there. Pulled back to it. I want to see if we don't get stuck here. Should we change here? This is a little interesting. Get a 2-minute change as well. Three-minute change as well. Let's see if we get that. That'll validate pretty much most of the trade. If this is even going to be a valid short. Get a 2-minute change, a 1-minute change, open up two big 1-minute fair value gaps. Can definitely see this just pouring out a little bit lower now. 5-minute change as well. So now we got a 3-minute change as well. Go back up to it. See what the 1-minute looks like.
Order filled.
Looks like stop loss. 150. The high. Of this 2-minute as well. Right there. Pull back up into this inverse as well, possibly. So I wouldn't want to see this first fair value gap hold. That's really this is where I want to see us hold. Wouldn't want to see us come any higher. I'd like to see this one hold. But that's 2. So it's a 2-minute right here. I want to see this 2-minute fair value gap hold. So that's kind of my key. Watch this lower time frame. Let's see. I don't want to see any of these bullish imbalances hold lower time frame though. Because we're gonna put a 1-minute in here. I want to see the 1-minute hold if we do come back in. Yes, there's a lot more room to the downside as well. Back down into this 4-hour. So I want to see this right here hold. If we're gonna go lower, should hold. Filled this 1-minute fully. 2 minutes getting respected right now. No 3-minute gets made. So that's one thing just to recognize. Tighten up our wrist right above this 2-minute. Gets filled to the fullest. Tap inside of this inverse as well. Right there. This way. 2 minutes showing that we're respecting bearish. So I want to see if that's going to be the draw. We change in the state again here. Then I'll add another contract or two. So let the market tell me. So if it stops me out,
Order filled.
Okay, word. Let's jump back up here, see what's happening. No need to force it. So this 1 minute is being held at the moment. Still get that change. Still got that 3-minute change, 5-minute change. No 5-minute gets created. Okay, word. So just gonna stay hands off for right now. Just gonna check. Yeah, no need to force anything. Just gonna stay hands off for the moment. Limited the loss really well. Let's check what this is. This is looking like, I don't know where my 930 is. Because if it's gonna be bullish, then there's no need to keep forcing the short, you know? We keep respecting this 2-minute though, and it's like different. Don't want to see us fill this 1 minute all over again. Keep doing the same thing. This 1 minute's been holding. When I sell
Order filled.
stop, will go right back up there. So now we filled this too, and now it's holding, and now we get a 1 minute change out of that. Changed here on the 1 minute as well. So we got all of the things that we need. 1 minute gets inversed. If we take these lows out right here, we're gonna go break even because the open's gonna be about in 3 minutes. So we'll be able to limit this loss if anything. 2 minute clearly held. And there's nothing that's stopping us, so a lot of generated over here. Pretty much target back down into the range down here. Took the SMT low. Not gonna add anything right now. Simply just gonna watch, see what this lower time frame is telling us and the higher time frame. It's bearish, of course. SMT still holding, still in place.
Order filled.
So boom, we're stopped. 1 candle. So we're stopped right now. Gonna just be hands off at the moment. Not gonna trade it. Just gonna wait till the open. Yeah, so we're just gonna wait till the open. There's no need to continue trying to attack that. Should have happened when it changed, so Just gonna wait. Wait for something clear. Wait for something confident. Two-minute change right here. We're gonna validate that.
Order filled.
Set the limit right there. I like how we changed right off the market open. 2-minute change right off market open. Stop, go right there underneath the 1 minute. Break even. Won't lose on the trade. I did like this long though, right up to buy side. So target a little bit higher. Up at this 15-minute fair value gap, 30-minute. We are break even though, so if we get stopped prematurely, then it's fine. Targeting this 50% mark of this 30-minute though. Let's see buy side get swept. So
Order filled.
boom. So we're stopped. Break even. Great long though. It's a great long opportunity to capitalize. But now I want to see what we do here. Take out all this buy side, but we're gonna change back to go lower. It's important right here. So we fill this 1 minute. See if we put in a 30-second change. If we don't, then yeah. Pull back fully. Come that close. So I'm gonna wait. We come that close to the high, you know? Really just gonna be patient. Let it get swept. If it wants to get swept, it will. Come that close to the high, you know? So putting the SMT here. Fill the 30-second. So I just want to see what we do here. SMT does get put in, you know, and if it changes in the state down here, back to the downside, then it's consistent. So it looks like we want to come take out this high. So we're probably about like 220 at the moment. Yeah, 230. Just watching though. Not really worried right now. Doesn't matter. It's kind of what we wanted to see happen. You know, target this 30 up into this 30 minute. So once I seen this change off this 2 minute right there, we would have came lower. If we would have came lower there, then that was the time to do it. Changed off the 2 minute, boom, entered. Just tightened up my risk a little too early, but not mad at it. You know, stop could have went here. Could have just put it in a better position, but that's not the problem. You know, we're up that much in profit. Would expect a nice flush. So if we didn't get that, I'm break even. You know, I'm not gonna risk for us to just come back up and reverse all the way back down. Gonna go break even, follow my rules, and wait for something else to present itself. If not, then that'll pretty much be the trade. 230 on the day. That's not bad at all. Now that we have this swept, inside this 30 minute though, is it possible for us to reject lower SMT up there as well? Check this 30 minute out. Yeah, so just watch for now. See what we do. Trying to watch this lower time frame though. I want to see if that's gonna be it. We got this 1 minute fair value gap. I'd like to see us inverse. We start inversing this here. I'm gonna go short now.
Order filled.
So I sold 4 here. Inverse is 30-second. I'd like to see us get lower in here. Put another SMT in. Off of this. I'd like to see this one hold though. Stops pretty much above this 30-second. I don't want to see this 1 minute hold. If this 1 minute holds, trade is very much invalidated and it's not going to be the trade we're trying to take. So got about 3 more seconds. Turn up our risk. There would be no need for us to come back up here. We want to see a change out of this. I want to either see a fair value gap in play, get made. Got a 30-second right there. I'd like to see us get lower from here though. We validate this 1 minute, go break even. But if we keep playing in here, we respect, then that's not it, So I want to see a 1 minute get created in the next 20 seconds. If so, look, it looks like we're not gonna do that. Fill that 30-second and right there. Fill the 30-second. We got this wide open up here, but we inverse it right there. So right here could easily be a breakaway. This long rejection right there off of all that. So I'm gonna go pretty much break even here. Wouldn't want to see us come all the way back up. Do that. Like all of that rejection right there off of that wick.
Order filled.
So we're gonna stop right there. So that now if we do want to come back up, we'll know. One minute gets respected. No need to lose bread on that trade. There's absolutely no reason. I just want to see what we do in here though, because now we're inside of this 30-second. Let me see if we take out this internal high, because we get, look, this is where we get buy side swept, high gets put in. So it looks like ES is as well, trying to hold to go higher. So I want to see what this 30-second looks like as well. NQ shorts are starting to look valid. SMT looks like it's starting to hold.
Order filled.
Again, one more time. Stop's gonna go right there. SMT is holding. Now I want to see this 1 minute change get confirmed right there. Stop is going to stay here for the moment. I want to see this 30-second hold gets invalidated right there. Stop's going to stay right there for the moment. I want to let this trade develop. I want to see us get this actual confirmed change off of these candles right there. And then what will I target is just right back into this range, you know. So they've got resting sell side here. Target like it's wide open 15-minute. Top of this 4-hour again. So look, we do get the change. We're resting right around it. So not gonna add anything to this trade. SMT did hold. Took out this internal high as well. And then we just let it develop. Great risk on the trade, last trade, which I'm going to tighten that up. Don't want to see us get higher in here though. I want to see this be the part where we respect and get lower. So right back at this 30-second change, pulled back to it. Inside of this 1 minute, I want to see us hold this though. Inverse this 1 minute, stops right above it. Following our rules. Tighten it up just a little bit, letting this 1 minute work. So this will be the one that holds. If it will go lower, if not, then it's gonna happen, you know, another day without me. So gonna let this trade play out. Everything that happened that I like to see. It's confident. Got all the way below. Disrespected is bullish. Inversed it. And then off of the 30-second as well. Just filling in these fair value gaps. I want to see us get lower here though. So didn't get the most strongest change, but just gonna watch and see. So we're about to get stopped here.
Order filled.
ES still holding. 1 minute gets disrespected, you know. So I mean, look. Right now we're starting to just play around. We have an SMT. We get a valid change. So everything here is just, it is valid at the moment, but market is just not in favor. I do like the shorts. So no 2 minute, nothing really here. Nothing getting respected. Not even a 3 minute getting respected. So I'm just gonna watch, just gonna see what happens here. It's really nothing. It's a 5 minute right there that held. but we come all the way through. We respect it. All this generated sell side though, so this definitely still has my eye. The SMT gets invalidated though off ES, then probably not gonna really look into it. And that's what it looks like right now. So it looks like we're about to take out this high. Should we do? Not really gonna look into this shit anymore. Yeah, so can do it again. Can do it all over again. Let's see right here what we get out of this. Looks like it's gonna hold, so yeah, wanted it to happen there. You know, that's a 2 minute. So I mean, just looking at it, it's not really right now. It's just not really clean. I guess you could say it's not like we get the buy side sweat. We get SMT gets put in, boom. From there, just expecting a move lower. You know, we got to move higher at the open, and then looking for that displacement back lower. So clean change.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell four there. Let this 2 minute get changed. Tighten up our risk. ES sweeps out this buy side right here. And it looks like it's going to change the state all over again as well. So this will be the last stab right here. Jumping into the macro as well. See what these next 20 minutes provide, if they do provide anything. Or they'll just tell me that, shorts are not valid at the moment. So only a couple of things that are going to happen. So we get that 1 minute change right there. Pull back to it as well. Get that close below. 1 minute change right there. Bam. 2 minute change. Bam, right there as well. So 5 minute gets tapped inside of all over again. But this is where I'm looking for it to get lower. So it's 5 minutes. Very strong. It's holding price.
Order filled.
So we're stopped. A lot of sideways barcode. You know what I'm saying? Like, not really much is happening here. We get what we want to see, but just look at this. I'm not gonna keep trading this shit. So that's pretty much gonna be it for me. I mean, look at ES2. This shit is just, feel me? Boom, 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 boom. You're gonna wait for that shit to happen eventually, but if it doesn't happen, or if it doesn't happen with you, you gotta be able to step away, walk away from that shit. So that's pretty much gonna be it on the day. We'll be back tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this live session. Um, yeah, there's really not much, you know. Move of the day right there. Boom. From there, you know, we could change the state fucking lower all we want, but not really much. So everything gets validated. We're looking for it clean. We're up here. After inversing, we're looking for that to get, you know, changed down here. Put it in small right there, but even that will come all the way back up. So not bad on the day. It was it's not even tricky, I couldn't even say, you know. It's more so just sometimes price action isn't in favor of what, you know, your model shows, and you got to be able to just like accept that shit, walk away. Don't let it get to you, don't let it affect you. So that's gonna be it for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed.